welcome back to my channel. I hope you enjoyed the first part of my video today as much as I did for my brand new iPad Pro. It was a dream come true to finally getting a brand new iPad Pro from my own, like literally from my own. I've been waiting so long to get this iPad, like over a year now to get this brand new iPad, and I'm super grateful to every person of you who have supported my journey and my small business. I really appreciate every one of you, and I'm really super grateful to every one of you who have really supported my small shop. And actually I still can't believe that this iPad is mine now and I own it finally, and I managed to get the latest generation of the iPad Pro from Apple. So it was a very important thing for me because I use my iPad so much. My previous iPad, I used it so much for so many different purposes, so I'm really happy to finally getting a new one with a new generation, and everything is really perfect in this iPad. My previous iPad was also iPad Pro 12.9 inch, but that was 2017 generation. It was so freaking old, and I thought that I need to upgrade it. So my previous iPad Pro was a gift from my father. He bought it for me back in 2017. It was also the latest generation that time, but it became so freaking slow these days, so for that I think that I need to get a new one and to just using it for so many different purposes, and I did. I was hoping to get this iPad as a birthday gift for me back in May, but unfortunately it wasn't available in Turkey and I needed to wait to get it. So yeah, and after I just managed to get it, I still need to wait about 20 days to get it. So it was a really a long time of waiting to finally be able to get it. So for that, it was super important for me, and that's made the moment more special for me actually. I got my new iPad about 2 weeks ago, and I didn't have any time to just edit and make the voiceover and all this stuff. I was so freaking busy with so many different things, with the custom orders, new product, and a lot of other stuff that I'm really super happy to sharing them with you super soon. And yeah, that's all. I'm really like a kid now, happy with her new toy, especially this Apple Pencil. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video today, and please let me know if you would like to see more digital drawing on my channel as well. And I really hope you guys enjoyed the video as much as I did from A to Z, as it was all means a lot for me. And also I would like to show you this charger that I have customized with my own sticker. It's also available on my Etsy shop if you are interested. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed the video today, and I hope to be able to share more videos with you anytime soon. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. Love you all so much. Bye.